Hi there! You don't want to be the guy who gets blamed for the safety issue. So this lesson will help you understand why we test software to keep things safe. Anyone who works in IT has often heard managers uttering the phrase, "Why do we bother testing?" Sometimes there is resistance to testing from senior managers or suppliers who are concerned about the amount of time that testing might take. And there is always the temptation to reduce the amount of testing that's done in any project to save some time, especially when, for them at least, deadlines are more important than quality. Costs also play a part. Project managers are always under pressure to keep within budget, so it's common to hear managers say, "Let's just get it over the line." I guess you don't have to test, or you can test so little that some major software bugs go undetected. The truth is that cutting corners usually has consequences, and it's very likely someone will pay a price further down the line, sometimes financial, or even worse, it can put lives at risk. Imagine sitting at an airport, waiting for your family's flight to a summer break. It's your well-earned holiday, and you have all been looking forward to this for a long time. You probably feel confident that the aircraft you are about to board has been thoroughly tested and certified for airworthiness. You are putting your life in the airline's hands, so we expect them to put safety first. An airworthiness certificate isn't something that can be obtained quickly. It can take years of design and then testing of multiple components, which also need to be integrated with other fully tested parts. Engineers will need to thoroughly test the engine before fitting it onto a wing. The wing would need to be designed and tested so it accommodates an engine and has all the necessary components to pump the fuel when it is needed. Eventually, these parts and thousands of other components will be assembled. This will enable a fully built aircraft to start its flight tests. Airworthiness is an essential part of getting the aircraft to market and proving to carriers that the aircraft can ferry their passengers safely, comfortably, and economically. Would you fly in an aircraft that wasn't fully tested and approved for airworthiness? Of course not. And what about the air traffic control systems? These systems make the skies safe. Would you want to make sure that these were thoroughly tested to cover any eventuality? We would also want to ensure the pilots can communicate with controllers and the radar systems give controllers the information they need. So, as testers, we ensure the software works as designed for all components to prove that it integrates successfully with other systems. Bringing all these components together will help our family to get to their beach holiday on time and, more importantly, in safety. I hope this has given you a better appreciation of why we test for safety. You can now understand why, as testers, people's lives are sometimes in your hands, so you cannot cut corners. Now it's time to move on. Our next video discusses the added value that any business can get from having a robust test strategy, as well as the risks they can face if they don't. So head on over to the next lesson to find out how. And I'll see you there. Remember, all lessons are free, so please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It costs you nothing and allows me to keep creating free content for you.